In this question, there are three blocks, one of 15, another of 5, and this one of 5 kg again. And the frictional coefficient between this 5 kg block and the ground or the table is 0.2. We have to find out the tension in the two strings. Okay. Now suppose if the system is not moving, then the downward force on this would be 150 Newton. Okay, it will not move, suppose. That means the force in this direction will be 150 Newton, and the force in this direction will be 50 Newton. Okay, so net force is towards left. What will be the net force? Net force will be 100 Newton. That is 150 minus 50 Newton. Now, what is the frictional force between 5 kg block and the table? The frictional force between 5 kg block and the table is, let's say, F mu n. Mu is 0.2 into n, that is 5 into 10 mg. So this will become 10 Newton. 10 Newton. So this frictional force is very less compared to the net force. So that means the system will indeed move. Okay, that means it will accelerate. Why did we find out this frictional force and the net force? To see if the system is moving or not. From here we get to know that the system is moving. So system will move towards left and it will accelerate. Now the thing is, this force will not be 150 Newton. Okay, this will be tension force here and here. Okay, so let me erase this one and this one also. So here the tension is, let's say, T1, and here the tension is T2. Now the frictional force will be in the right direction, that will be mu times n. So if I draw the free body diagram of 5 kg block, I will get T1 minus T2 minus mu n. T1 minus T2 minus mu n is equal to 5 times A, that is the acceleration. Now for the 15 kg block, I have T1 here in this string T1, because the string is same. Here also the tension will be T2. Now the acceleration of 15 kg block will be same as 5 kg block. So what will be this? 150 minus T1 is equal to 15 times A. And similarly for 5 kg block, I can write T2 minus 50 is equal to 5 times A. Now let's add all of this. Okay, so here if I add, then T1 will get cancelled, T2 will get cancelled. This will be 100 minus mu n is equal to, this will be 25 A. Mu is how much? 0.2. 0.2 into 5 into 10, that is 50, is equal to 25 A. So this will be 90, because 100 minus 10 is 90, is equal to 25 A. So acceleration is 90 by 25 meter per second square. So this will turn out to be 18 divided by 5 meter per second square. This will be the acceleration. Now what will be the tension? So T1 we will find out. Using this equation we can find out T1. 150 minus T1 is equal to 15 times A. 150 minus T1 is equal to 15 times A. A is 18 by 5. So this will become 5 in 3. This will be 150 minus T1. This will be 54. Now T1 will become 150 minus 54. Okay, 150 minus 54 is 96 Newton. So this T1 will become 96 Newton. Now what about T2? T2 can be found out using this equation. Equation here, T2 minus 50 is equal to 5A. T2 minus 50 is equal to 5 into A. 5 into A. This 5 and this 5 will get cancelled. We will get T2 as 68 Newton. So T2 is 68 Newton and T1 is 96 Newton.